I'm Shilpa Shetty and this is the art of balance.
Lie on your back with your feet together, legs outstretched, and arms beside your body, palms facing down. Interlock your fingers over the right knee as you bend in towards your chest and press the thigh on your abdomen. Inhale here as you exhale. Lift your head and chest off the floor and touch your nose and then your chin to your right knee. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Then release your head, then your hand, and then your leg. Interlock your fingers over the left knee as you bend in towards your chest and press the thigh on your abdomen. Inhale here as you exhale. Lift your head and chest off the floor and touch your nose and then your chin to your left knee. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Now release your head, then your hand, and then your leg. Come back on the mat and relax. Interlock your fingers over both your knees as you bend them towards your chest and press the thighs on your abdomen. Inhale here and exhale. Lift your head and chest off the floor and bring your nose between the knees. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Now release your head, then your hand, and then your leg. As you exhale, come back to the ground and relax. Keep your other leg on the ground active. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Breathe normally through all the poses. Avoid bunching up of the shoulders while holding the thigh close to the abdomen. Tighten the abs gently as you lift head and chest. Lie flat on your stomach with your feet together and your arms and hands beside your body. Bend your knees and bring your heels close to your buttocks. Interlock your fingers around your ankles. Arch your back, lifting your thighs, chest, and head together. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Keep your arms straight. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Come back to the starting position. Sit comfortably in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Make a pranayama mudra by your fingers. Press the index and middle finger of your hand towards the palm. Now use your right thumb to shut the right nostril. Now inhale slowly and deeply through your left nostril until your lungs fill with maximum air. Exhale slowly through the right nostril. This is one circle. Again, inhale from the left nostril and exhale from the right. Sit on the floor, bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet with both your hands. Shift your hips forward to bring your heels as close to your body as possible. Lift your knees up and deliberately push down, using your elbows as levers to press your inner thigh down. Try to touch your knees to the ground on the downward stroke. Practice 30 to 50 up and down movements. Do not use any force while pressing your knees down. Completely relax your inner thigh muscles. Visualize the movement as fluttering of a butterfly's wings.
Yay, and there is good news. We are halfway there. Stay positive, determined and committed to your health goal and get the most out of this wonderful body.
Sit tall on the floor. Sit bones grounded with your legs together straight in front of you and hands on the knee. Then your right leg placing the heel of your foot against your very and the sole of your foot against the inside of your left thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up without shrugging. Exhale and hinge forward from the hip towards the straight leg. Hold the knee, shin or toes with both hands as you lead the stretch from the chest. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Inhale and exhale to deepen the stretch. Do not pull from the head or arms and instead focus on maintaining an almost flat back as you lead from the chest. Come back up to sitting position. Bend your left leg and place the left foot just like the right leg. Inhale Raise the arms and rotate torso slightly towards the straight leg. Exhale, bend forward and try to touch the toes. Mid-back should not round excessively. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Keep your shoulders square to the front at all times. Keep the right foot flexed. Try to lax the shoulders. Your focus should be on alignment and not achieving maximum stretch. Square the right shoulder in line with the left shoulder. Press the back of the left knee down into the ground to maintain alignment of the straight leg. Ground the back of the straight leg down to maximize the stretch in the hamstring. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Avoid rounding the back. If you cannot touch the toes with straight knees, hold the right ankle or the calf where you can reach. Sit erect with legs straight in front of you. Bend your left knee and slide the left foot outside of the right hip. Then fold your right knee and cross the right leg over the left and bring the right foot outside the left hip. Both your knees will be more or less stacked one on top of the other. Straighten your left arm to the side at shoulder level and twist the arm inwards so that the palm faces the back of the wall and slide it upwards on your spine. Stretch the right arm overhead and bend the elbow so that the right upper arm is next to the left ear. Now try to interlock the fingers of the left and right hand behind your back. Breathe and try to relax in this position. Sit evenly on both sitting bones. If you are not able to interlock the fingers, do not strain. Sit tall and do not compromise the neck alignment to interlock fingers. Do not shrug. Keep the bottom elbow close to the side of the waist on the same side. Make sure the entire back of the bottom palm is resting on the spine. Stand straight hands by the side. Bend the left knee and shift the body weight on the right foot. Reach with the left palm and hold the left ankle. Place the left sole on the right inner thigh. Toe points down. Keep pressing the left sole into the right inner thigh and the right inner thigh into the left foot to create a counterforce. Inhale. Focus at one point in front of you. Take the arms overhead in Namaste. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Keep breathing normally throughout the movement. Keep your abs engaged and breathe normally. Exhale. Bring the leg down to standing position. Now repeat on the other side. Pull the navel in towards the spine to engage abs and balance. Keep breathing normally throughout the movement. Keep your bombs in the front of the chest if you are struggling with balance. While balancing, focus on 3 points on the foot: big toe, small toe, and heel. Stand erect at the top edge of the mat with your feet together. Bring your palms together in front of your chest in Pranamasana. Inhale, raise your arms to the ceiling and arch your back as per your flexibility and come into Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, bend forward from your waist, keeping your back flat. Bring your palms down on the floor next to your feet in Padahastasana. Inhale, take your right foot backward, lower the hip and pull your shoulders back. Open your chest and look up in Ashva and Kalana. Exhale, take your left foot backward and come into the. Make sure your shoulders are above the wrist and your entire body in slant position. Hold your breath and come into a gently bring both your knees, your chest, and chin down on the floor while keeping your hip above the floor. Place your palms next to the chest and hands closer to the torso. Inhale, scoop forward and bring your chest upwards and forward and come into Bhujangasana. Now exhale, come into Parvatasana. Use the core to lift your hips up, tuck your chin in towards the chest and try to touch your heels to the ground. Inhale, come into the Ashva Sankalana. Bring your right leg forward in between the hands. Lower the hips and look up. Exhale. Bring your left foot forward and try to touch your palms on the floor in Padastasana. Exhale. Bring your palms together in front of your chest in Pranamasana. Repeat the same steps with your other leg, and that will complete one cycle.
Hope this helped you achieve your peace of mind. It's time for me to sign off. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.